Alright, very simple. I'm going to show you my 80% win rate strategy in 2 minutes. So here we go. Very simple stuff. So this is what I do. Here you can see are my rules. What do? I identify liquidity. I like to wait for a sweep of sell side and then target buy side. And this is how I do it. So I'm identifying liquidity above on this day. This was a great trade I took last week on Tuesday. You can see we've got these really obvious wicks above. This is an obvious swing high. I was trying to target this data high up here, which has tons of orders in it. Really good to target these kinds of liquidities. News wicks, they're also called. Very, very good places to target. Things I love to target myself. Here's what I do. I wait for a major sweep of a low. Major sweep here. Really, really obvious low. As you can see, what am I looking for? I've got my major sweep. I've got liquidity identified above that I can target. So I'm feeling good. And then I'm looking for a bullish reaction. We get that and we get momentum here. You can see this low here looking great. And we create this fair value gap. And it's inverted, which is what I use for my entry model. I like to do 3 candle pattern V-shapes. If you don't know what one is, it's when you create a gap in the market like this with 3 candles and then it gets inversed by the next candle. As you can see here, it would be like this. So 3 candle pattern, we create the gap and then it gets inversed. 3 candle pattern, we create the gap and it gets inversed. That's what I'm looking for. So we get that and I'm thinking, happy days, I'm entering this trade. And then you can see here we've got the 3 candle pattern V shape, we've got the inverted fair value gap. So I enter on this inverse here. As you can see, I risk about $200 per trade on 30 accounts. I target 1R. As you can see, 1R gets hit straight away. In about 5 minutes, I scale half my position, $100 profit, go break even on the rest, and I leave runners for liquidity, and I was targeting up towards this wick here. I tried to target this wick, but after a while of us not hitting it, I think I stopped out my other runner for about 4 or 5R. And that's my whole strategy. I do this over and over and over again every single week. I've got an 80% win rate. I've got 100k of payouts last year. Lucid, Apex, Top Step, etc, etc, etc. I've got a Discord community that is free down below. Go and get in it. And if you want alerts for my trades, you can get them in the description as well in the WAP. Overall, a fantastic strategy. I get trades pretty much every single day. At least 2 to 3 good trades a week. As I said, 80% win rate. And I have a grand time doing it. I'm not stressed and I don't have to worry. I just set alerts at lows and I wait, and this is what I do. Like I said, if you want more information, go in the description and get it. And I thank you for watching. That's my strategy in 2 minutes.